Lean Startup: Creating a Successful Business with Lean Startup Techniques. Written by Tom Lesley, narrated by Rayan Mitchell. 1. Introduction. What is Lean Startup? The Lean Startup is a methodology for developing products and building companies that was developed by entrepreneur Eric Ries. The key idea behind the Lean Startup is to maximize learning and minimize waste through a process of continuous experimentation and iteration. Traditional approaches to starting a business involve creating a detailed business plan and executing it with precision. However, the Lean Startup challenges this approach by emphasizing the importance of experimentation and iteration in the early stages of a new venture. Instead of focusing on building a perfect product or service, the Lean Startup encourages entrepreneurs to create a minimum viable product (MVP) that can be quickly tested and improved based on customer feedback. The Lean Startup is grounded in the principles of lean manufacturing, which were first developed by Toyota in the 1950s. These principles aim to eliminate waste and maximize value for customers by focusing on continuous improvement, respect for people, and the elimination of activities that do not add value. In the context of a startup, the Lean Startup methodology involves a cycle of build, measure, learn. This process begins with creating an MVP that can be quickly tested with a group of early adopters. Feedback from these early customers is used to improve the product or service, which is then tested again with a new group of customers. This cycle of experimentation and iteration continues until the startup has created a product or service that meets the needs of its target customers. The Lean Startup also emphasizes the importance of using data and metrics to guide decision-making. By measuring key performance indicators, KPIs, and other metrics, entrepreneurs can track progress and identify areas where improvements can be made. Another key aspect of the Lean Startup is the concept of validated learning. This involves testing assumptions and hypotheses through experiments to determine whether they are true or false. By validating assumptions through experimentation, entrepreneurs can avoid costly mistakes and focus on creating a product or service that is truly valuable to customers. The Lean Startup is a methodology that encourages entrepreneurs to focus on continuous experimentation and iteration in order to build successful businesses that meet the needs of their customers. By embracing the principles of lean
Sample complete. Ready to continue?